I'm sorry. I've been waiting on this for like 11 years. You know, I had some dust on my notes. Sorry.
So they say the worst 2 minutes of a groom's wedding is the best man's toast. Rachel's worst 2 minutes is gonna be later on tonight. Woo! What, is it PG?
We are here today to celebrate as we watch Charlie and Rachel join hands in marriage. We're here to wish them well as they begin their new life together as one.
I have waited kind of a long time for this, Charlie. Rachel and I have known each other for quite some time now. Throughout the years, she's become everything to me. I've got the pleasure of watching her grow into such a beautiful woman. I'm not gonna lie, it feels really weird calling you guys husband and wife. But I am so proud of you both for what you've accomplished in your relationship, but also in your individual lives. I am very blessed to call you both my best friends. I love you too and want to thank you for letting me be a part of your special day.
I, Charlie, take you, Rachel, to be my wife.
I, Rachel, take you, Charlie, to be my husband.
In the good times and the bad.
There's no one I'd rather have by my side. I'll be your sidekick in all adventures.
I promise to never stop joking with you or loving you. I will be there to make you laugh when you really want to cry.
I will love you as my best friend, lover, and partner in crime. And will never lie.
By the power vested in me in the great state of Florida, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Charlie, you may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Esparza.
May your love be modern enough to survive the times, but old-fashioned enough to last forever.